Hey guys, we are being asked to find a line that is parallel to this line and goes through this point, okay? So what we need is to figure out the slope of the line that is parallel to this line. When two lines are parallel, guess what? They have the same slope, okay? So looking at this one, it is in slope-intercept form, right? Y is by itself. So when it's in this form, my slope is the one in front of the x. So the slope of this line is 1/4. So the slope of a line that is parallel to it will have the same slope, okay? So I have everything I need. I have my slope and I want it to go through this point. So I have a point and a slope. So I'm going to use, guess what? Point slope form, okay? We're going to find this equation that is parallel to this one and goes through that point, and then we're going to graph it to make sure we did it right, okay? So stick around to the end for that. Okay, so when we plug into this equation, this is going to stay a y, this is going to stay an x, and we're going to plug in things for y1, m, and x1, okay? So my slope is m. I'm not sure why we call it m, but there you go. That's what we're going to plug in for m. And my points, first one is my x, second one is my y. And we label it with the ones just to keep it separate from these ones, okay? So now let's go ahead and plug that in. So I'm going to have y minus y1, which is -3. Make sure you write both negatives. Minus -3, okay? Equals m, which is my slope, 1/4, times x minus x1, which is 4, okay? Now we're going to simplify this, okay? So when I subtract a negative, it goes positive, right? If you take something negative out of your life, that's positive, right? So this is going to be y plus 3 equals, now normally I would subtract these first, but they're not like terms, so I can't. But what I can do is distribute this 1/4 in, okay? 1/4 is being multiplied by that, and I can multiply it to the first one and then the second one, okay? So 1/4 times x gives me 1/4 x, okay? 1/4 times a -4 will give me -4/4, which simplifies down to just -1, okay? All right, we are almost there, but I want y all the way alone. So I need to get rid of this plus 3. So I'm going to subtract 3. If I subtract it from that side of the equal sign, I need to subtract it from the other side, okay? So once I do that, I'm left with y equals 1/4 x. -1 minus 3, this is like I owe you $1, and I'm like, sorry, man, I got to borrow $3 more. So then I owe you $4, okay? Okay. So this is the line that we believe is parallel to this line and goes through this point. Let's go ahead and check. So I went ahead and graphed this line on the computer. You're welcome. So we are hoping that this line is parallel to it, meaning they don't touch, and that it goes through for -3, okay? So I'm going to graph this pretty quickly. If you need more examples on how to graph a line, I will link some in the corner, okay? All right. So this is my slope, 1/4. -4 is my y-intercept. So I'm going to go down to -4, put a dot, and then my slope is 1/4. So I go up 1, right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could keep going, right? And I can also go the other way. Down 1, left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, left 4. Okay. Those are looking pretty parallel, right? It's not looking like they're going to cross. Let's go ahead and draw the line. Okay. Oh, left a space there. There we go. Okay, there's my line. Now we just need to make sure that it goes through this point. Does it go through 4, -3? 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3. It does. Whoops, right there. Okay, so we found the line that was parallel to this line and went through that point. If you need an example of finding a line that's perpendicular to a line, I will link one in the corner. But hopefully that made sense. Thanks. Bye.